So today we will unbox Boya mic. Let's unbox it. For connectivity it has 2.4 GHz wireless technology. It has Type-C charging port. In full charge it gives 10 hours battery life. Sound pickup mode is omnidirectional. Let's check the mic. So it has two charging cable for charging mic. In box we get two windshield. This is windshield. This is how we attach windshield to mic for avoiding wind noise. This is the button to start microphone. This is second mic we can use for podcast, for interviews. This is the receiver. We can attach this receiver to mobile phone. I have ordered Type-C receiver. You can also order receiver with lightning for iPhone users. So this is how we attach receiver to mobile phone. After attaching to mobile, the mic has Boya branding. We will be using this mic in our future videos for better audio. Thank you for watching whole video. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel.